Please pick up the candles that you have under your seats and hold them in your hand, light them. And as we sing Thy Light together, feel that the light that you're holding in your hand is that very light of Christ within, of God everywhere. And then we will offer that light as we do as an arati, as the candle symbolizing your own spirit, offered with your right hand to God and Gurus. Okay. So let us also say, joyfully lifting up our hearts in song, we pray that we who earnestly seek communion with your light receive it in our lives abundantly.